Get ready for fast, even cooking with the Black & Decker 6-slice convection countertop oven. The oven fits pizzas up to 9 inches wide and begins baking immediately. No preheating required. The all-new design of the oven interior focuses heat towards the cooking area. Infrared energy comes from the heating element and gets redirected towards food, improving efficiency and speeding up cooking times. Plus, updated convection technology circulates warm air throughout the oven for even cooking with pizza, snacks, leftovers, and more. The large glass window lets you keep an eye on food, while the dual-position oven rack gives you added cooking flexibility, and the bake pan quickly slides food in and out of the oven. Cooking functions include bake, broil, toast, and keep warm.
Achieve perfection with a dedicated toast timer that allows for precise toasting.
And the 60-minute precision timer features stay-on functionality for longer tasks. New design, improved technology, fast, even cooking. The 6-slice convection countertop oven from Black & Decker.
Introducing the Smart Oven Pro by Breville. 10 menu functions suggest the ideal cooking temperature and time. And you can watch it all with the interior oven light. Let's see it in action. Toast, roast, bake, broil, slow cook, and more. The Smart Oven Pro, brought to you by the food thinkers at Breville.
Cuisinart Chef's Convection Toaster Oven is in a class of its own. With 15 cooking functions and 1,875 watts of power, it earns every compact inch of space it occupies on the countertop. Choose a traditional cooking function or select unique ones, like Dual Cook and Speed Convection. Dual Cook combines functions for sequenced heating, and Speed Convection gets right to work, cooking foods with no preheat. Choose from the Cuisinart family of toaster ovens and bring an amazing array of features home today.
Hi, I'm Laura, and this is the new digital toaster oven by Toshiba. A beautiful stainless steel oven that has an amazing range of features. You can bake, broil, defrost, or reheat. and even create a healthy rotisserie meal. It has a spacious interior large enough for 6 slices of bread and up to a 12-inch pizza. And it has a beautiful blue LCD screen, so it's easy to read. The digital screen allows for more accurate and all-purpose control for the menus, temperature, and time. Let's say we want to prepare a 12-inch pizza. Simply select the pizza function from the digital control panel, adjust the temperature and time, and push start. The powerful convection fan circulates hot air throughout the interior for fast, even cooking. So there's no guessing. You get perfectly prepared meals every time. In just minutes, our pizza is finished. One of my favorite features is the rotisserie function. With the Toshiba digital toaster oven, it provides a healthy way to cook delicious and juicy chicken. And best of all, it eliminates unwanted fat and grease. Simply remove the rack from the oven and place the baking pan at the lowest level of the oven. Then secure the meat with the weight centered on the forks. Insert into the sockets on either side of the oven. Select the rotisserie function and the temperature and time and push start. When it's complete, you end up with a healthy, delicious prepared dish your whole family can enjoy. The Digital Toaster Oven by Toshiba. Make cooking easier and better.
This is the Wolf Gourmet Elite Countertop Oven. Its extensive capabilities and features deliver the precision, quality, and look of a Wolf range on your countertop. 7 different modes give it the flexibility to proof, warm, roast, bake, broil, and toast breads and bagels. Accommodating most 9x13-inch casserole dishes, the Wolf Gourmet Elite Countertop Oven's temperature controls and 5 heating elements have been precisely calibrated for every mode to deliver the best cooking performance. The air vents and convection fans surround your food with circulating heat, ensuring even browning and cooking, while the integrated temperature probe cooks meat exactly to your desired doneness. In addition to 2 Easy Glide oven racks, you can use the included baking pan and Easy Glide broil rack together for broiling or separately for baking and cooling. The Wolf Gourmet Elite Countertop Oven's non-stick interior is illuminated by a built-in light, and the dishwasher-safe removable crumb tray makes for easy cleaning. The Wolf Gourmet Elite Countertop Oven. Precise cooking, predictably delicious results for any meal you can envision.